This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. Paying off student loans faster and what to do if you can't keep up. Paying off student loans can sometimes take years and cost a lot of money. That's because student loans are usually long-term loans that are designed to be repaid over a long period of time. Long-term loans have low monthly payments and put less strain on your budget, but they also cost a lot more because of the interest charges that accumulate over time. Carrying student loan debt for longer means paying more interest over time. The faster you pay it off, the less you spend. Plus, being debt-free gives you more financial freedom to save, invest, or buy a home. So here are 5 simple strategies to speed up student loan repayment. Number 1, you can pay more than the minimum. Even a small increase in your monthly payment can help you finish your loan years ahead of schedule. Number 2, you can increase the number of payments by making bi-weekly payments. Instead of paying once a month, split your payment in half and pay every 2 weeks. Over time, this shaves months or even years off your loan term. Number 3, you can put extra money toward loans. Whenever you get extra cash, like a tax refund or bonus, consider putting it toward your loan. Every dollar helps cut down interest. Option number 4, you can try and refinance for a lower interest rate. If you have good credit and a stable income, refinancing your student loans could lower your interest rate and help you pay them off faster. And lastly, avoid lifestyle inflation. As you start working and your income grows, it's tempting to spend more. But if you apply some of that extra money toward your loans, you'll be debt-free even sooner. Now you can try any of these options if you are on track with your payments and want to get out of debt fast. But what if you're struggling to make your student loan payments? The key when that happens is to take action quickly before falling behind, because there are relief options available. Here are some of the options that can make repayment more manageable. First, you can try and apply for an income-driven repayment or IDR plan. This kind of plan lowers your monthly payment to a percentage of your income, sometimes as low as $0 per month. After 20 to 25 years, any remaining balance may be forgiven. Second, you can ask for forbearance or deferment. If you're experiencing financial hardship, you may qualify for forbearance or deferment, which temporarily reduces or pauses your payments. Just keep in mind that interest may still accrue on most loan types. Lastly, there is the Public Service Loan Forgiveness or PSLF program. If you work in public service, you might qualify for PSLF, which forgives your loan balance after 10 years of qualifying payments. If you're not sure which relief option is best for you, then you should reach out to your loan servicer. They can walk you through your options and help you apply for relief programs. And be always wary of scams. If a company asks for upfront fees to enroll you in programs you can do for free, it's a scam. Always use official sources like studentaid.gov. Now to recap what we have just covered. To pay off student loans faster, make extra payments, consider refinancing, and avoid lifestyle inflation. If you're struggling with repayments, look into IDR plans, deferment, or PSLF. And if you need help, contact your loan servicer. For more tutorials like this, follow us on social media platforms or subscribe to our YouTube channel.